Ice cream. Sarap. Sarap na.
Wow, ang sarap ng pagka-chocolate.
Good, really good ba?
So good. Ay, nakabikang bawal. So every time I bring our son to CMC, he'll pass by here. Sarap. Birds and Rockies ice cream. This is a very small town, you know, just beside Pomona College. So this is where Allison Lasser, Lashes and names. She walks here from the school. It's very near the campus.
Good morning, guys. Good morning to the twins and good afternoon here. It's a garden day. There's one. Hi, Juan.
Thank you, Pia.
It's a garden day.
Hi, guys. Kain tayo.
Olive, oh. Wow, nag-block naman siya, Olive. Oh, ayan, nag-green na naman siyang orange. Jackie, see.
Sabi ni Atoy, Doc Atoy, hindi daw nakaka-high blood ang doon.
We will have like dinner.
Sabi niya, kasi daw, minsan daw nakita sa nandaan.
We will have fun.
Dumating daw siya. Nakita daw niya. Ubus na hindi doon.
Doon siya na high blood.
Puro buto daw natin. Doon siya na high blood.
It's off na lang.
Sa Thursday.
Pero pwede siya
Pero yung karne masarap. Thank you, Ate Jose. Walang sauce dapat.
Ang ganda ng bag. Patingin nga ng bag. Wow! Amanda!
Yes, Marisa.
Sexy bag na! I want sexy bag! Sexy bag! Yeah, bag! Okay.
Thank you, Ate Jose. Guys, wala naman nagbigay ng lechon eh. Binili namin. Kumbaga, nakabili kami dahil sa drop lang din nila. Pero hindi, yung my day ko lang yun. Hindi siya parinig. Wala po nagbigay ng lechon sa amin.
Try to put that bits to cross. Prepare pasta and stay on. Thank you, So we take dinner.
Sabi, bakit ako nagpaparinig sa my day ng cravings ko pero wala man lang nagbibigay?
So this is glass.
Thank you, Verly.
Tempurado tayo yan. Tempurado.
Binili natin last time yun. Quick live lang ako guys kasi nagpapahinga talaga ako. Bumili na lang. Bumili na ako ng Hershey chocolate na sino. Bakit?
There's an owl there.
Hindi mo?
On our terminal.
Kumain ka na ng tinapay eh. Ayun na. Ayun na. Oh. Sarap. Bawal na yan. Ako. Bawal na ako.
Bakit?
Pwede. Kahit mag-coke ako, hindi ko nga kaya ubusin isang baso. Thank you guys! Yung mga picture natin nakalagay sa...
So good. I'll let you know my state. Okay, let's go. I'll see you in Manila. Okay. I'll see you in Manila. Bye. So guys,
Tama ka si Don yan.
and next week, let's have, of course, si Don and Auntie Albers, and everybody back here.
Thank you, guys.
So guys, wait for that. Hi guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch our videos, and if you want to watch more of our videos, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.
And cut.
Hindi na papaabot na abot yan.
BP ka ulit mamaya ng Roma.
Tapos kumain, BP.
Ngayon, baka makain ako ng dito. Busy ka yun. Tama ako.
Mabigla ako. Ang sakit sa tiyan. Uy, ang dami. Thank you, Adi. Thank you, love.
Tsaka yung gatas niya. O yan. Sensitive na agad ako.
Nagusot agad.
So because of this video is really for entertainment. Wow. No,
Thank you, love.
for fun.
Gawa naman yung kit. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, love. Thank you, love. Thank you.
Leader lang. Tingin. Yan, first. Ano yun lang pala? Anim. Ano pa yan? Anim pa yan.
So we're now in the pier, and I'm getting excited. Did you see a silver sila, Karen? Oh, I can see.
Uy! Oh, thank you, mahal.
Ano yun? Bago ata yun.
That's our goal.
Diamond tree. Thank you, Carlo
Guys, are you
Joseph.
excited? Tootsie Roll. I'm excited. Okay, guys, we're now in the pier. And of course, we're so excited. Okay, go. Pier. Board. So, okay, now.
Ayaw niya yan.
Okay, they're going to the boat now. Phil, how are you doing? It's hot. It's hot.
Si ano, nagmamiyaw-miyaw na.
Kumain ka na. Everyone, oh, God.
Yubo! Papian mo si ate mo!
Chinicheck. Oh my God,
Yuri!
Okay, thank you.
Yuri!
Okay. Okay, lot now is in the Antigua News.
Bakit ako na
Why? Start na to.
May ka muna.
So we're all set. Hello, Antigua.
Ay, thank you, Kasminati.
Okay, we're all set.
Ha? Gusto mo yung alak?
Are you ready? Very ready. Finally, he's riding the big boat.
Palusot ka lang eh. Hoy, ah!
Nakasilip.
Balat ka lang.
Ayan, dami ha.
And we are so
Ano ko?
Mataba na.
Mataba pero balat
Thank you, mahal. Thank you, love. Saya na yung baby.
Nako, excited na. Oh my God. Nakikipag-usap na sa Pinoy. I'll tell you later daw.
Buo pa to.
I'm so scared. So, okay, this is the end. We're getting
Hindi ka na mind.
Thank you, every girl. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, love.
Okay, let's go to the concierge. Are you happy that Mom brought you? Okay, good.
Thank you, love. Thank you, mahal.
I'm excited to
Thank you, Daddy.
Kapitano.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. guys. Ito, oh.
Idol ko po si Madam.
Sige, papatikin mo pero walang sauce, ha?
Nasaan ang tsaka?
Thank you, Thank you, Danny.
Oh my God, they're all on there. Finally, I started guys. My last.
Thank you.
You work here. Yes, that's my bar. Oh, you own the bar. Yes. Oh my God, I will give you the best cocktail. Okay.
Give me the best.
Thank you, mahal.
Extraordinary from the Where's the Hermes? Lot.
Thank you, love. Thank you, mahal. Ito siya.
Oh, my pleasure.
Bumaba na yung buhok ko. Guys, malutong-lutong pa yung balat yung dumating. Tawa ko ng bar mamaya.
Magpupunta daw si Pao.
Sa may jowa niya.
Absolutely. This is a welcome drink for Madam. This is made of a fresh squeezed lime.
Sila rin yan pupunta, alam ko eh. Si Mitch pupunta kasama yung crush niya.
And of course, it's run wine and make it up the delicious one for Madam.
Mitch shop.
And of course,
Oh my God, it's this pink.
Guys, punta kayo mamaya ah.
I cannot smoke it. It's for Madam.
Right here.
522. 523.
Nag-yellow siya.
Turn it from me. Just give me the something.
Okay, if I want Dom Perignon, can you give me?
Don't turn your yes.
Okay.
Ayun yung asawa niya. Parang mukhang foreign, mukhang inchik.
Pero hindi pure. Ano lang, nasa lahi lang. Ay, or half ba? Hindi, Tagalog na Tagalog yung asawa niya. Dito lumaki, kumbaga, mayata.
Tignan mo yung mga dami, napakadami.
For 10 days pa lang siya.
Ikaw din, ang dami mo lang. Oh, you can put some, packaging issues, you can put all the pouches there. Okay, or doon na sa drawer. So, okay, yan for the next how many days? Then iba na sa drawer. The sleeping outfit. So, okay, magpa-plancha tayo. Pa-service ko na lang sa butler, sabi mo, magpa-plancha tayo. Okay. Okay, and this is our toilet. Wow, ang dami. My lotion. Okay, shower. So many things. Tissue paper. And, oh my gosh, ang daming towels.
Anong bansa? Anong bansa yan?
Parang ano?
Ship? Nasa ship sila?
It's something would you like to have in your suite?
Yan yung mismong hotel. Pero hindi umaandar. Kumbaga, andun lang.
Ay, naka-stay lang. Floating hotel.
Oh, parang...
Goya.
Yaba!
Yabo!
Thank you.
If we need like sneakers.
Thank you.
What he was doing. Oh my God.
Kamukha ni Allison tatay niya.
Okay, cheers, PJ. Let's
Na?
cheers. You have to cheers here. Okay, cheers. Oh wow, what a nice. Can you show the kind of lot?
lang guys, walang charge yung phone. Tsaka nagre-rest talaga ako dito sa baba.
Okay. So guys, this is our...
Thank you guys. Kahit maka 5K lang tayo bago ako mag-end. May sira yung camera ko guys. Makakala nyo may tuldok sa cellphone nyo. Hindi, sa cellphone ko po yan. Thank you Raisa. Thank you love. Ay, si Raisa, si Becca pala to. Si Raisa ka pa.
Ganda.
Pag si Yubo yung gumagan sa kanya, hindi siya hindi siya gumagano. Si Yuki, OA sa OA, sumigaw si oh.
Sobrang pogi naman ang Yuki.
Pabebe na, oh.
Sigurado yung
Marte na.
pogi naman yan.
Lahat kami kinakagat yan kanina sa sobrang inip.
Hindi ka pogi naman ang baby ko.
Basta may kulang sa bahay.
Sabi ko, andiyan na si Daddy. Talagang ano siya. Taranta na. Sabi ko, joke lang. Kinagat na ako.
Kabango mo lagi, no, Yubo? Bango ikaw lagi. Kabango lagi ng baby.
Mabango, di alam paano umihi sa ano. Nang tama.
Pupunta sana, nakita ka din,
Tapos hindi niya alam, nakalabas yung patotoy.
Relax mo na yung ano.
Nurse yan. Hindi, malaki na nga sa kanya, inipitan ko lang.
Hinihila niya kasi, nangangati kasi siya.
Pogi, ah.
Ayaw niya masyadong nakasikip.
Mukha talaga baby na. Baby yan eh. Baby Ubo. Baby Ubo ko yan.
Pag pala talaga dito sa baba, hindi siya makatulog. Lahat ng naririnig niya sa baba, pinakikiramdaman niya. Hindi siya nakakatulog ng
May gate ako sa bahay. Yung gate niya sa sana pa.
Tingin ng chan.
Okay. Siyempre, of course, dapat may food. Pwede kasi ipapasexy ako dito.
Magiging shot si Mom.
Kasi ako, hindi ko pa lang. Hindi kami baking shoot naman. 1 year na.
Ba't masakit yun na naman?
Anong sabaw to?
May ginasingata sa ano.
Anong sabaw yan?
This one.
Thank you, Becca. Thank you, love. Sino ba sila?
Sibuyas yata.
Yung salay, parang pinakulong salay. Hindi, yan pa rin yun, yung dot. Ayan, no.
This is an international bowl. What? Are you happy?
Uy, ano to? Di mo ginamito.
Yung
Ano ba yun?
balat.
Huwag mo nang papakain sila.
Balalay na lang. Yung ano. Nasa iyo! Tarages! Pag ikaw, ha?
Unat tayo sa Lagalola.
And si Lot napaka-excited.
Buhuli ka.
Phil, it's so hot there. I don't want to go up.
May comment. Pwede daw ba pakis si J-Mart? Ay, anong halikan mo yung pet namin?
Lot, maraming iba.
Huwag na. Pati pet namin. Bakit?
Ng seaman. Ito, luxury.
Ito na lang halikan mo.
Pati ako sila na
Ito yung halikan mo.
But kahit ano order mo dito,
Ito, yung lipstick sa katabi niya.
Halikan mo.
Nagkating katabi niya.
dito ka lang. Tapos
Kiss mo yung puwet. Aray ko.
Kiss me. Pataas mo
Namang ano, yung live ko, ma. Huwag na. Yun yung live ko.
Pet niyo mo. Ma'am.
sa baba, pizza and burger, okay? Ako, si Lot, nakikita.
Parang
itlog na Yubo.
Parang barel.
Itlog na lang ni Yubo.
Pintis yan po ito yung mo.
Hindi siya gumagalaw.
Pogi kaya neto. Sailan ka ba?
May daw sa nakaitim. Uy, di kayo talo niyan.
Dali lang.
Ikaw daw.
Item lang.
Item ba yun?
Item ba?
Oh, okay, wow. So it's fresh. It's fresh. Wow. Is this a Scampanelli? Or how do you call this restaurant?
Ow, ow.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Thank you, love. Thank you, April.
Okay. Oh, pool. Pool grill. Pool grill. Okay, let's go up, Lot. Ma'am, sobrang ingat tayo sa kapupunta. Oh, yeah. Si Ma'am, she wants to go upstairs and see everywhere.
Sino ba sila? Love?
Hello,
Sino si Love po?
Hello,
Balik na daw sa bar. Sabi ni Ate Pink, sino ba si Love? Ano pa
Pumunta ka ngayon mamaya.
Sino ba si Love?
Eh, di ko lang.
Not on the plane, only on the boat.
May picture.
Are you in the Philippines? Alcohol. Oh my goodness. Yeah.
Thank you, Love.
Not. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Gelato.
Thank you.
Sino mo hindi pa na-officer no selling?
Yung ko nangyari.
Ma'am.
Papakute.
Lang, hawakan mo doon.
Yoko.
Hey, karapitin mo lang.
Kakagatin na naman yung damit niya.
Hindi na naman ako masita.
Karapitin mo lang. Karapitin mo lang.
Kanina pa nga niya ako.
Ayan na.
Binubulgaw yan eh. Kanina pa ako yung nakila.
Saan naman tayo ngayon, ma'am? Okay po.
Wow, baka gusto niyo serving cake, let's take tonight.
Ano ba yung ano yan? Parang kalawangin na yung lalagyan. Ano side na yun?
Side yun. Parang tile.
Don't you know notes?
Ikaw yung umutang-putang.
Sa hapon na, gusto ko kaya na, dahil ko na pag-sika, yung may nagwala na. What's so good? Cigarette. Uy, kaya?
May bayad yata, ma'am.
And then they have the premium drinks. So they have cover, Hennessy, label, open, let's go. That's they are mga, so there's a shop here.
Punta na kayo mamaya guys. Gay night. Tapos meron kaming promo. Ano yung promo natin?
Buy one, get one sa tower, 999.
They do a price of $900.
Ano?
Oh my God.
Buy one, get one na tower. Oh guys, dalawang tower sa halagang 999.
Ano yun guys? Choices lang ng baby girl kasi tsaka one and only puppy.
Thank you, love!
Dalawang tower na yun. From 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. po.
Uy, crush na crush ka ni Mr. Cupidos.
Guys, buy one, get one tower. Nakupido na ako dati. Guys, buy one, get one yung tower, 999. Tapos yung beer po natin, buy 10, get 2 free bottle ng beer. May laman po. May laman yung bottle, ah. Imagine naman, may free kang bottle, may laman pa. O, diba? Ibili ka ng 10 bottle, may dalawa ka ng libreng bottle. Kasi imagine mo, yung bottle may laman. O, diba? Imagine mo lang.
But this is my 6th contract in Silver Sea.
Bale yun. Nakalibre kayong dalawang bote na may laman. Punta na kayo mamaya. 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. lang po ang ating promo, ha. Buy one, get one sa tower. Baby girl kasi and one and only puppy lang po. Tapos buy 10, get 2 bottle ng beers. From 7 p.m. to 11. Thank you, love.
Not all of the ships.
Princess Bartolome, 26.
Wow, Princess Continents. Wow.
Dapat pinigay mo natin yung birthday ko.
Yes, okay.
Tinatanong mo eh.
Guys, umalis na yung boat.
Ba't mo tinatanong, Mr. Cupido? Thank you, Saddam. Crush ka niya. Saddam, thank you.
Open daw po na.
Good afternoon.
Because of custom declaration, they cannot serve anytime.
Punta na kayo mamaya, guys.
On board. But on board, When we're sailing, the whole time, open. Kasi nasa port pa tayo. Okay. Nagsisilaw na ba tayo? Okay. So later it will be open na. Okay, thank you. So open na ng mga stores later. Kasi nagsisilaw na. As of now, we're still at the port. So bawal pa
Ay, sisilaw na.
Okay. Where's the casino? Ano yung launcher dito? Agas lang.
Ito mga gitara guys, oh. Kaya crush na crush ka niya, pinapakita mo yung kiligili mo, eh.
To the gym. That's my favorite place. The gym.
Mamatay yung gym niyo po.
Yung gym ko? Walang time yan. Anytime. Hindi ako pupunta doon. Okay, let's go.
Yung gym niyo sa bed.
Sa bed. Tapos nag-chuchu.
Yan yung gym niya.
Thank you, happy girl. Thank you, love.
Yan.
And guys, tapos may chips.
Yan yung gym niya.
Tingnan mo, kahit saan talaga tulog, eh.
Okay?
Naglalakad na yung buhot mo.
Yung tali, may tali nga pala si Yuki, ay si Yuri, tsaka si Yubo, yun sa baba, kasya siguro kay Yuki yun, para dito na lang siya itali sa ano. Dito na lang itali yung sa lamesa.
Casino is closed.
Para di siya nakakalayo, at least nasa labas siya.
Casino is closed.
Hi, we're sharing. Okay, let's go to the
Okay.
So, okay, this is the spa.
Thank you.
Maandar sila, Bo.
Maandar nga.
Maandar.
Okay, where? Left or right?
No.
Left or right? So, okay, we all sauna here.
Hello.
Sauna here. There, looks so nice, huh? Stick with this steam sauna.
Hello.
And, okay, my favorite place, fitness center. Wow, somebody's there.
Ay,
So I can take a video.
asan kayo?
The saunas is wet and dry.
Igos?
Beauty salon here. Oh, I have the nails done.
Wala kayong signal na, eh.
I have my leg like remove. Are you Pinay?
Job na guys, maganda rin ako niyan.
Wow.
Mamaya ako
They have
mag-live
breast
ulit.
like fillers.
Mababaw lang ba yan, Nay?
Like medicine.
Yeah, no, it's really.
So they have like nail salon here, and of course salon. Okay, hi Kerastas, of course right here, Kerastas. Hi Nikki.
Mababaw?
Sagara Beauty Salon. So they have beauty salon.
Mababaw lang, Nay?
And they have spa.
Thank you, love.
And they have
Thank you,
fitness
sir.
center.
Mababaw lang?
Doon, nakaharang ka sa daan ko. Nandiyan na si Sir. Salt Kitchen, Japanese restaurant.
Galing, nasuzoom din yung
Japanese- Okay, Salt Kitchen,
Pangit na sa
Japanese
cellphone ko.
restaurant. Okay, we're eating here tonight. Oh, this is the Japanese
Hindi po sagi, kahit sino po pwede po pumunta. May promo po kami. Yun nga, 2 towers for only 999.
Kami kanina doon sa
And free shots sa lahat ng gay. Free shots.
Na-moving na! Please, breeze.
May
Now,
hinayo yung
moving
signal
the
mo.
boat going to the destination of Italy.
We have dinner here tonight.
Thank you,
So, okay,
sir.
this is our table. Okay, we're here na. Oh, not. Okay ka na. Okay
May
na
mahina
outfit mo.
signal mo, Nay.
Yeah, I
So, okay, we'll
found
go.
you.
Ano
Sa bahay? Mahina yung signal mo?
Sa desk.
Thank you, sir.
Diyan na lang. Mag-ano na kayo. Join na kayo dyan.
Shut if you down, I'm down too.
Mahina signal, eh.
Michelle, where's the next destination? What did you say?
Dictionary.
Binabantayan niyo, Nay. Baka magkamali.
Santarelli pala. Sorry, guys.
Mababaw naman ba? Mababaw?
Dictionary.
Dictionary. Okay, what are you doing? We will have dinner here. So, okay, sit down there.
Kaya tambok na.
Not.
Sige na yung masyadong pagbaba yung likod niya.
Gosh, from kahapon, super gutom ka, now bumabawi ka, no? God, ito. Nag-drive, nag-request.
Sige na, hindi ka na makailangan.
Stable.
Hindi ka mas
Sobra ka na, ha?
Pinansin
Baka ilang
kayo guys mamaya.
Sobrang mild plus mga ano ka, 10 kilograms.
Ay, sige na.
So, okay.
Hindi ka makita maayos.
Dessert naman.
Sige na,
Did you
tapos.
dessert?
Sige na.
And there's another one here. Hello, guys. Hello. Hi, Javier. Hi. Hello.
Si Lola.
Extra effort ka pa rin kasi napkin mo bitin. Switch to Whisper Breathable Nights. Longer, wider, with deep anti-dust channels. Sa isang night napkin, mas may coverage ka than 2 regular napkins. Tingnan lang, girl.
Oh, these two. Just drinking water or vodka? Water. These two.
Gonna sleep now. Good night, guys. So that's it for the first day. Oh my gosh.
Maganda muna guys. Papahinga muna.
Okay, let's go to the overs.
Thank you, love. Punta na kayo mamaya guys ha. Thank you. Bye guys. Thank you. Thank you, Mali. Thank you guys.